Welcome to today's relaxing and refreshing yoga class. We'll begin in Shavasana, so lie down on your back with your feet a bit wider than hip distance. Bring one hand to your belly, one to your chest, close your eyes and observe your natural breath. Let's move into our 3-part breath. Exhale completely first, and then on your inhalation, fill the air into your belly, continuing to fill the air into your ribcage and into your chest. And exhale, release first from the chest, then the ribcage and from the belly. Let's do this again. Inhale into your belly, ribs, chest. And exhale, release the air from your chest, ribs and belly. Inhale, belly, ribs, chest, and exhale, chest, ribs, belly. Do a couple more rounds of this breathing exercise on your own with full awareness of the air moving through your body. This is an amazing way to build awareness and can actually help to reduce anxiety and stress, which is something most of us will find beneficial in our day-to-day life. You can incorporate this pranayama in the beginning or at the end of your yoga practice, or even just on its own as a breathing practice. After your next exhalation, come back to your natural breathing. Slowly bend your knees and hug your legs into your chest, gently rocking from side to side if it feels good on your back. Extend your left leg along the mat, keeping the right knee in, and start to draw 3 circles with your right ankle. Then switch directions. Come back into stillness. And ground the left foot onto the mat for our reverse pigeon. Place the right ankle onto your left knee while gently flexing your feet. You can stay here or bring your left knee close to your chest by holding it with your hands. If you want to go a bit deeper, you can extend your left leg up to the sky. Slowly release, lowering the left foot down to the mat and hugging both knees in, maybe rocking from side to side. Then extend your right leg along the mat, keeping the left knee in, and with your left ankle draw 3 circles in each direction. Come back into stillness, ground your right foot down, and for our reverse pigeon, place your left ankle onto your right knee. You can stay here or bring your right leg up by holding it with your hands while gently flexing your feet. You can also extend your left leg up to the sky if you did on the other side. Slowly release and tuck both knees into your chest. For our happy baby, grab the outer edges of the feet, bring your elbows inside your knees while rooting down through the sacrum. The soles of your feet are facing up to the sky while pulling your knees towards the mat. Release, hugging both knees in, and then lower both feet down to the mat for our butterfly pose. Bring the soles of your feet together while allowing your knees and hips to open. Gently hug both knees into your chest, palms on the back of your knees, and let's make our way up by rocking forward and back until you've gained enough momentum to come up into your tabletop position. On your inhalation, come into your cow position, arching the back while bringing the gaze forward or up, and exhale into cat, rounding the spine, spreading your shoulder blades wide and gazing to your belly. Inhale into cow, and exhale cat. A couple more. One more round, inhale into cow, and exhale cat. Then come back to a neutral spine. Tuck your toes and lift your hips into your downward facing dog, maybe taking a very small step back to lengthen your stance. Start to walk out your dog by bending one knee at a time and bringing the other heel close to the mat. Draw your hips up to the sky and engage your core to lengthen your side body while keeping your ears in line with your arms to lengthen the neck. Extend your right leg back and step forward between your hands into low lunge. Keep your feet hip distance apart to square your hips to the front of the mat and then bring both hands to the right leg while gazing forward. On your next inhalation, reach both arms up to the sky and then grab your left wrist with your right hand, gently pulling the left arm over to the right side. Release and ground both hands to the mat on the inside of your front leg. Walk your right leg to the right side and turn the foot so it rests on the outer edge with the toes pointing out slightly. Gently let your knee drop away from your body. You can stay on your hands or lower down to your elbows if that's within your practice today. Slowly come up again, walk your front foot back to the middle, and while reaching your right arm back, try to pull your left foot close to your hips, maybe grabbing the left toes with your right hand. To make this a bit easier, you can bring your left hand to a block or a book. Release into your low lunge, tuck your toes, and lift the back knee up to step back into your downward facing dog. Extend your left leg back and step forward into low lunge. Keep your feet hip distance and your front knee in a straight line above your ankle. Then bring both hands to the front leg while keeping your gaze forward. On your next inhalation, reach both arms up and grab your right wrist with your left hand, gently pulling your right arm over to the left side. Release and lower both hands to the mat on the inside of your front leg. For our lizard, walk your left leg to the left side and turn the foot onto the outer edge with the toes pointing out slightly, and gently let your knee fall away from your body. You can stay on your hands here or lower down to your elbows to go deeper into the stretch if you did on the other side. Slowly release, walking your front foot back in, and while reaching your left arm back, try to pull your back foot close to your hip, grabbing the right toes with your left hand. Don't worry if you can't reach your foot today, it will get easier with time and practice. Release back into your low lunge, hands underneath your shoulders, tuck your back toes and lift the back knee up to step back into your downward facing dog. Bend your knees to step or hop forward, cross your ankles and come down onto your back with your knees hugged into your chest. For eagle legs, ground your right foot to the mat and cross your left leg over your right leg. If that feels good, you can wrap your left foot around your right ankle. Extend your left arm out and your right hand to your right knee, gazing to your left hand while rolling onto your right side. Release and switch sides. Left foot grounded and your right leg crossed over, maybe wrapping your right foot around your left ankle. Your right arm extends and the left hand comes to your right knee. Gaze to the right hand while you shift onto your left hip. Release, and for our last pose, Shavasana, extend both legs wide along the mat with the feet relaxed and toes pointing out gently. Rest your arms by your sides with the palms facing up. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to your inhalation and exhalation. You can stay here for as long as it serves you. If you'd like to finish your yoga practice with me, start to bring some movement into your fingers and your toes. Bend your knees and roll onto your side to come up into a seated position. On your next inhalation, reach both arms up to the sky and exhale, hands to your heart, thanking yourself for taking this time out of your day to focus on your well-being. I hope today's class leaves you feeling refreshed and ready for the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you tomorrow for the last day of our 7-day challenge. Bye!